Hey everyone, I just wanted to remind you of the upcoming workshop, Transform and Renew Your Mind, on September the 24th, 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Oh yes, it is 6 hours of just intense, interactive fun, right? Why is this workshop back? It is back by popular demand, right? But more importantly, you see, we are always driven to change. Something drives us to change. We want more out of life. We want to become better than we are. What's driving you? Right? Now you know me. I don't have a flash in the pan. I don't have a gimmick. I don't have fancy tech. I just have the laws. Because that's what's important. So come out to the workshop and watch your doubt and your worry and your fretting. Watch it all fizzle away. Because there's nothing more important than walking and living a life with audacity. And what does that mean? It means you don't have to worry anymore. You don't have to fret. You don't have to, when is this going to happen? When is that going to happen? Oh, I want this. I want that. You don't have to live that kind of a life anymore. You get to live a life that is deliberate. One that says, this is what I want, and this is what it is. It is done. That's what you're doing. But you see, we want change, but we're afraid of change. Why would you be afraid of change when you know how it's going to turn out? You are the one deciding the change you want. So why be afraid of it? That's my point to you today. There's nothing to fear. And like the bamboo, my beautiful friends, you may not see anything happening on the surface right away. But bamboo, as you and I know, takes 4 years to root itself. And at the end of that 4 years, now it begins to form a shoot on the top of the soil. This is what the law does to you. It roots itself firmly in you, just like those old habits that you got. Oh, well, this thing might not be possible, or my mother said I'm this way. I'm supposed to be that way. Oh, I'm just like that person. See all those things that have taken root? You get to uproot those with the law. Oh, you sure do. And it will not be a drag to do it, people. This is the point. Change is fun and it is beautiful if you apply the laws. So, sign up today. September 24th, 11 to 5 Eastern Standard Time. That workshop, 6 hours, hard and fast, quite like my labor actually, hard, fast, and to the point, and it was done. Hallelujah, what can I say? But it was done, right? Imagine your life where you don't have to worry and fret, but you know where your security comes from. You want security, you create it. You want joy, you create it. I digress. I'm not going to preach. Even though it is Sunday, I'm not going to preach today. But I look forward to seeing you there, September 24, 11 to 5 Eastern Standard Time. Share this and invite anyone you think that would benefit from it. There's 35 seats left. So y'all better get your move on. Indeed, you better get your move on, or you're going to have to wait for the next one. Okay? And I don't know when that'll be just yet. I just know this one is here, September 24. Because then there's coaching that has to go with that people may want. And so I'll have to give time for that, right? Because I do coach now. And so somebody said to me, Angela, are you charging for this? I was like, well, I don't want to. And they're like, how are you going to pay your bills? So there is a fee. Sign up, though. I'll see you there. Much love.